It's always 5 o'clock here at this favorite Panama City Beach community. I'm over here on the cute front porch. Can't wait to show you this house. Let's go check it out. We're over here checking out this home in one of our favorite resort communities in Panama City Beach, where there's always something to do. Love this spacious 2-bedroom floor plan. As you can see, cute little dining nook, open concept. We've got plenty of space in this kitchen, nice big generous size center island with extra seating, stainless steel appliances, and this living space has tall ceilings to make it feel very expansive with a window overlooking an adorable front porch. You've got to come check it out. So the layout over here at Conch Shell is very, very efficient. We've got a bedroom up front and then the primary bedroom off the back with a nice spacious bathroom with a walk-in shower and plenty of counter space. Details on these beautiful Panama City Beach properties, make sure you click on the link below. There you will find extra fun facts, pictures, and who to contact if you're interested in a property, and there's more. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com.